but you got to take the gloves off. They are. Downtown is.
Protest here in Clairemont. 92117, as you can see in the background, lots going on. This property right over here is zoned for a single family unit. So you didn't sign up, so you bought your property hoping you'd have, well, not even
Absolutely.
with any thought in mind that there would be a non-single family residence
Absolutely.
next
Well,
to
that
you,
was
right?
the rules. R1.
R1. So that means, in other words, this lot was designed and permitted, and all the infrastructure was designed around having a single family home.
Yeah.
And how many homes are they putting here?
How many are they going to put here?
Yeah, adding.
12 units.
So including the home
two-story
is
buildings,
13?
15 with the home. I think there's going to be 3 bedrooms in the home. So I don't know if they're going to make them individual or make it one.
Yep.
So,
Okay.
yeah. So a lot of cars. There's no parking on the street. We're in a very high fire severity zone.
Yep, on the canyon. Yep.
No such office. I found this out short-term.
We gotta stand together.
Going to continue, and they're going to end up being in neighborhoods all over San Diego. And it's very frustrating for all of us because we live in a lot of the residents that are on our street have lived there for 70 years, 30 years, 25 years. They've been there for a long time. To have an apartment complex essentially be built at the end of the street is just unreasonable. So we hope that we'll be listened to.